Hey there and welcome back. A buddy of mine sent me a picture of an ashtray made of walnut with a laser engraving on the bottom and asked me if I could make something similar. I said, of course I can, but that's not my style. I had to overcomplicate it because that's just what I do. I could have easily thrown a chunk of wood on the lathe and turned it, but this particular project is made almost exclusively on the CNC. Let's get into it. All right, I'm going to start with this 8/4 walnut here. I'm going to do a flattening pass, make sure the top is totally parallel with the bottom and the CNC machine. All right, now I'm going to start the roughing toolpath for the bowl part. I'm praying I have this thing secured good enough and it doesn't go flying. This one should take about a half hour. All right, now we're going to do the 3D toolpath. This one should only take 20 minutes. Run the toolpath to create the cigar rests. I'm using a 1/2-inch bowl bit here. This looks pretty good. I'm going to take it off of here, get it over the table saw. I made this jig here to help me cut angles that are greater than 45, you know. Now, ordinarily I would engrave the bottom of this with my laser, but it's a little too deep and the laser head would hit the sides, which would screw me up. So I'm going to engrave it on the CNC and I'm going to paint the bottom. First though, I'm going to seal it up so the paint doesn't stick to anything that's not engraved. So I've got some shellac here. I don't have any decent paintbrushes, so I'll be using this flux brush here, which will do the trick. All right, I'm gonna have to do this in 3 tool paths. This will be the first one, the rough pass. So let's go. I'm gonna start sanding this thing and see how we did. It's no wonder walnut is so expensive. I mean, it's really beautiful. All right, we'll give that a little bit to soak in. Just gonna do a quick engraving here on the back.
It's in essence a sophisticated heat beam which we call a laser.
The last thing I'm gonna do is I got these little feet that I want to position somewhere around there. I don't want them to be that tall and sit that high off, so I'm going to sink them down in there a little bit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I'm in danger!
Hopefully these fit. Ah, yes. There we go.